I wanted to show you how you can easily make this outline effect, which can be used for both text and images. I used to get this effect using filters, and one good day I discovered that with a couple clicks you can do it in a much more efficient way. So let's start by turning off this layer, and I'm gonna write a new text. The idea is to apply an effect to the layer. If you look here in this layer window, down here we have an icon called effects. These are the effects that can be applied to the layer. Here we choose the stroke effect, and as you can see the outline is already drawn, and of course we can tweak the parameters until we get the result we want. You can change the color, the thickness, the opacity, and so on. The best thing about this is that it's not necessary to rasterize the layer, and therefore we can continue modifying the text and we still get that stroke effect. Now I'm going to import this image. Notice that in this case the bouquet has a background that is not transparent, so if we now apply the same stroke effect we will get this result. Which could be what we're looking for, but in my case I would like the outline to be drawn over the edges of the bouquet. So for that I'm going to need to rasterize the image and remove this background. Come here to the layer, right click, rasterize, and notice that although the layer was rasterized, we didn't lose the stroke effect. So now we're going to delete this white background. We choose the magic wand. Here we adjust the tolerance as necessary so that the white background is entirely selected, then delete it. Notice that here we left some details. I'm just going to select them and remove them, more or less. Anyway, this is only to show the stroke effect. Notice that here we already have the outline effect. And the same as before, we can change the parameters, decrease the thickness for example, change the color, and with that we get the effect. That's all I wanted to show you. I hope you find it useful and see you in the next video. Bye.